Okay, hey friends, we are doing a quick little video to talk about the one platform that has been running my entire six-figure online business. I like to keep things super simple. I don't like having a million different subscriptions or softwares that are running my business. I can't keep up with that. Let me tell you, I am a very simple stay at home mom. I have a 2 year old, a 4 year old, and one on the way. I'm 6 months pregnant. So the simpler, the better. I'm not tech savvy. I don't like to be just on my computer in one spot all day for hours. I can't do that. I need something where I can have my phone, be at the park, be at the doctor's, be at ballet, like anywhere, and be able to access every single thing that I need for my business on my phone. Okay, so let's get into this. 3 years ago, I started with Shopify, which is really built for physical products. It wasn't really built for digital. They've adapted over time, but it's not where it needs to be. So I'm just jumping over into my Stand Store so I can show you what's going on a little bit. I don't know why it's not also bringing my face over onto the other tab. So let me figure that out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so just so we see here, in the past year, I have hit my six-figure goal. And, I go into these things just with no expectations, but of course, a goal, like, of course, every year I want to hit six figures in my online business because as a stay at home mom, that is incredible money to be providing for my family. My husband has a career job, and that's great, but I don't want to budget his paycheck. I want the freedom to have the money to say, I don't want to sit in the house all day. Let's go to the beach. And when we're at the beach, it's like $10 for an ice cream cone and $15 for chicken tenders and fries. But I don't even have to think twice about spending that because I got all this going on. So let's talk about it. I was telling you a little bit about Shopify and how it's built for physical products. And, there are people that you can hire just to build that website. That is how complicated it can be. And it took me months to build my Shopify website. Once I did build it, I haven't touched it in 3 years because I don't want to mess anything up. When I went into Stand Store, I'm going to be honest, I wasn't really excited about building a new website, but this has been the most simple, the most user friendly platform, and I cannot stop talking about it. Also, because their customer service team is so easy to talk with. They're on Instagram, you can get to them with email, and like they reach out to you. In the 3 years that I've had Shopify, I have not once ever, I don't know who even owns Shopify. I don't know anyone that works there. I've never talked to any of their help because it's so complicated to get help for Shopify. Because that platform is so complicated to use, they don't even want to, like, whatever. We're not here to bash Shopify. I'm just really talking up Stand Store because I'm so impressed with everything that they're doing. Um, so again, here is the income page, and a lot of this is that you're seeing here are like my leads because for me it's important to build my email list so that I have someone to talk to, the sell to. And this is up to the left here. These are like all of the little applications that they have. So you can do affiliate marketing if you buy someone's course that has affiliate resale rights. This is the page for that. I don't really get into that all too much. Um, this is your referral page. So Stand Store has a great referral program. If you refer people, then you get $6 a month for as long as their shop is open. As you can see, I have 89 active referrals, which means Stand Store pays me $715 a month. That is completely passive money because I'm not doing anything. I'm just telling people how much I love Stand Store and how it's worked for me. And then they open their shops and it works for them and they keep their shop open. And because of that, I'm rewarded. Okay. Shopify doesn't have that. So, yeah. Just wanted to show you that. Also, Stand Store has two different payment plans. So you can use it for $30 a month, or you can upgrade to $90 or $99 a month. And if you refer someone and they upgrade to $99 a month, then you're getting $20 a month out of this whole referral program. So just wanted to mention that. This has been like a really fun extra to me, because selling digital products is one thing, right? You create a product, you retain 100% of that profit. But then you sprinkle in affiliate marketing in there, and you have your multiple streams of income, and it's a beautiful thing. Because for me, when I opened my Stan Store, $30 a month, okay, I'll suck it up. Then I upgraded to the $99 a month, and I thought, it's a bit steep, but there's got to be a way for me to kind of have this website going where I don't necessarily have to pay for it. And that was the referral program. So I was like, okay, if I refer 15 people, then my Stan Store is technically free, right? Like, it's girl math. So that was like my original goal. I'm like, okay, if I like the platform, I will start promoting it to other people to use. I'll get my 15 referrals. Now I don't have to pay for it. Okay, as you can see, I did that. And I went above that. So now not only is my Stan Store free, but now it pays me to use. It's just like, hello, this is a no-brainer. You're opening a website, it's running an entire six-figure business for you, and it's paying you. You're not even paying it. I mean, if that doesn't sell you right there, I honestly don't know. But let's go into the auto DM. A lot of people use ManyChat for this, and I used ManyChat too. But ManyChat was costing me around $45 a month. An extra subscription, you guys already know how I feel about subscriptions. I don't like it. So when Stan Store put in automation, the auto DM, I canceled my ManyChat so fast. Why am I going to pay an extra $45 a month when Stan Store is doing it for me, basically for free, right? Because I'm not paying for my Stan Store at this point. So this means when people comment something on my Instagram Reels, like that trigger word, they automatically get sent a link. So, for example, I have a webinar tomorrow and I wanted to tell people about it. So I told them to comment the word profit, and they get this message. Here's the link to access my free live training. And then they get the link to sign up. Like, it's that easy. It's giving me time back, right? Time is your most valuable asset. And so to get that back, it's a beautiful thing. Let's go to your email flows. This is when you upgrade to the $99 a month feature for Stan Store. Then you access your emails, but email marketing is the backbone of your business. This is how you're reaching the people that you're talking to on Instagram, right? So I have my lead magnet email flow where if someone downloads my free guide, they get an email 6 hours later saying, hey, did you get it? And I put the free guide in there again just to make sure they read it, because some people will get something and maybe open it and close it. So it's just a reminder like, hey, this exists. And then 2 days later is where I start with the selling. And I only have that going for about a month, right? Like, yeah, you want to go hard at first, but after a certain point, it's like, okay, time to back off. They get it. You don't want to harass people, or at least these are my thoughts, right? Everyone has their own way of email marketing, digital marketing. This is just how I do it. But I like that it shows you your open rates and your click-through rates so that you know where you need to adjust and improve. So this has been a very, very valuable asset to me. Stan Store also has a community. I don't know if it's okay. Yes, here I am. Okay, so a lot of people use the Skool platform to build courses and community. The Skool platform is $99 a month. Stan Store did this at no extra cost. Okay, so you can host a community of people here. And just as an idea, you can have this be a subscription community. What do I mean by that? Well, let's pop over here again. In the left tab, if you go to more, or I'm sorry, go to my store, scroll down, hit add product, and then click recurring membership. This is how you charge people monthly. So let's go to checkout page. So you decide what you want your price to be, and do you want people to be charged daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly? And boom, this is your payment processor. Just this page. This is how people get charged for a subscription service, and you would link your community to this. So now you have people paying monthly for this community that they're a part of, where you, I don't know, make videos for them, maybe making cookies like tutorials, or you post recipes in here, maybe 4 recipes a month, like whatever you're promising, they're getting in this community. And you can also provide support. So people are able to write on the walls of these communities and you can answer their questions. And it's great because once they're in your community too, these are like your hot leads. So whenever you come out with new digital products, these are your people that are most likely to purchase them like that. Okay, so we love the community feature in Stan Store. What else do we got? What's under more? Yeah, auto DM, appointments. Stan Store is so simple, and this is why I love it. So as you can see off to the right, it shows you what it looks like on a cell phone. It's just, hey, this is how you get on my email list. Here are my main offers. And here's a couple links to some free stuff, like listen to my podcast, or here's my other website. I don't like to have this like too crowded, but I want to show you how you can edit your website. So like on Shopify, I told you it took me months to just design my website. With this, they only give you 3 things. Okay, you pick out your layout. So as you could see on the right, the layout changes. Pick one you like. 2, your colors, right? You could change your colors around. And then 3, your font. So if you look at the top where my name is, you can see the font is changing. I'll pick out a different layout so you can kind of get a better look at that. But that's it. It's just those 3 things to make your website page, your landing page. It's not over complicated, and it doesn't need to be, because people aren't spending time on this homepage. They're just getting what they need. Okay. Oh, I want to book a call. Okay, let me get in here. Oh, let me open a new page. Okay, when people get to your website, they're gonna get to what they want and hit buy now. That's all you want to do with this. You don't want these intricate sales pages that are like, I don't know, it takes you a lot of scrolling just to get to the bottom. Why would you want people to be you just want people to get the buy now button as soon as possible, right? Because it's like they see your reel, that's the impact, and they're immediately in that emotional state of, oh, I need this right now. So you need to provide that buy now button like this, because the longer you make this page, the more chances you have of them turning off of it. If it's too long, you risk confusing them, or you risk them thinking about it too much or overthinking it. And you even risk them getting distracted and closing out the tab and moving on to something else, right? And then, like, an hour or 2 from then, it's not relevant in their life anymore. So the quicker you could say, here's what this is and here's why you need it, buy now, the faster you get the sale. And that is why I use Stan Store. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up this video because we are at the 14-minute mark and I feel like I've made my point. But I will leave a link in the comments below. A lot of people, or I think you can try Stan Store for free for 14 days. But with my link, you can try it for free for 30 days. The entire first month is all you need. You only need a day to set this all up. And then you have the whole month to start advertising on Instagram and like really get yourself up and running. So if you want the whole month free, I will leave that link in the description below.